all day. You want to do a slam dunk. First you got to practice on the jump. Then once you get there, you can go for the shot. Which I'm already there, so I know how to do a slam dunk. Let's go. First you got to bounce it. So that's it. Haven't quite gotten the hang of it yet, but I know how to do it. Bounce, to the run, and slam dunk. Really easy, dude. I'll show you an example right now. Run, run. What you supposed to do? I'll show you quick some dribbles. First, the normal dribble, and then if you center someone, you don't just bounce like this. Make it a little tricky. And then, now, if you want to trick them nice and easy, go under. Haven't quite gotten the hang of it. I'll do it in slow-mo for you. You go boom, supposed to bounce it, boom, and then you go around like that, and then you go boom. Oh, almost there. Go for it. Boom. Okay, good. Now, here's the hard part. You're going to be going for hair. That's how you hold your ball. Hold it nice and good. See that? Hold your ball nice and good like that. And put firm. Make it as comfortable as you can. And then, you're going to shoot. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Boom. Shoot. Boom, shoot. Boom, shoot. You're doing a one-handed move. Got to put as much force or power in it as much as you can. But I just can't aim with the one-handed. You want to keep long balls forever for a long, long time. You never kick, punch, or pop. And that will keep your ball alive. And now, kids, I'm going to show you a slam dunk. And if you don't like this, then you can go and find some real kids that can really play some basketball. They might say. Now I'm going to show you some quick action. Is how you play some basketball.
Yahoo! Hi, I am Kyle from Georgia Fanatics, and peace out.